back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. This video is a long time coming. I have lived in downtown LA for almost 3 years, and sadly at the end of this month I will be moving out. It's really sad. I'm gonna have to say goodbye to this beautiful space. I could not be more grateful that I got to spend the past 2.5 years in this beautiful apartment in the heart of downtown LA. Literally, this was once a dream of mine, and the fact that I got to live it is just something that I just am so thankful for. This has been very requested, and I just want you guys to know I'm not trying to brag in any way whatsoever. I feel like I have to say that disclaimer. But really, this is honestly for me to remember this space when I leave, sadly, and just to answer a lot of you guys' questions that I get about where I get certain pieces of my decor and stuff like that. So hopefully it can serve as some kind of inspiration for those of you who are thinking about redoing your room, or I don't know, have a similar style to me. I don't know. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos similar to this. Turn my post notifications on so you know whenever I upload a new video, and if you want to check out my social media, I'll have that linked in the description box below. I really hope you guys enjoy this. I can't wait for you to see. I truly love my room. It is really my sanctuary, and it's come together gradually but very, very nicely. It definitely fits my personality, so I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Thank you all for all your love and support. It means the world to me. And let's just get right into the room tour. Starting off with the entryway to my room, above my door I have this cute little chalk sign where I wrote "Be Here Now" in this present moment. Just something to remember whenever I look at it. I have some Christmas lights up and this fringe that's actually from the Free People store display that we took down. Then I have this beautiful tapestry which I got at a spirituality store in Northern California. I think it's so beautiful. And this ottoman cube I purchased from a store in downtown that is unfortunately closed. Along this wall underneath my windows, I just have some pages from Free People catalogs that I've just torn out and put up on my wall for inspiration, honestly, and I just think it looks kind of cool. I usually switch them out every couple months. Then I have my everyday bag and this wooden crate that I just kind of put random things on. It's holding my water bottle and my coffee and my vlog camera at the moment. Then I have this little dresser that someone gifted to me. It was a used one and I was like, yeah, I'll take it. But I have my vitamins and candles and other kind of random crap in it. This is a light that I never hung up. It's from IKEA, but it's shaped like an egg. I also use this little dresser as like my desk per se. I put my laptop on there whenever I edit and my external hard drive. Now this is the incredible view from my window. It's what I look at when I'm editing, and it's honestly so amazing, and I'm gonna miss it so much. Moving on to my favorite little corner of my room. This is what you guys always see in the background of my videos. I just have a cork board with some photos of friends and family. I have 2 little wooden triangular shelves that I got from the Melrose Trading Post. Inside the little cubby, which is actually from IKEA, I keep some of my favorite books and movies, notebooks and stuff. And then on top of it, I have my candles, books, tarot cards, my essential oil diffuser, some fake flowers, just good stuff. This is a cute little painting that my friend got for me when he went to Europe one year. Moving to the right of that cute corner is my bed, and also this tapestry that is above my bed is from Urban Outfitters. I also hung up some string lights that I got from Target. My comforter is just from IKEA. The pallets under my bed are just from a hardware store. And my pillows are just random pillows, honestly. Now if you continue moving to the right, I have a little nightstand with this lamp that I got from IKEA, a few more of my favorite books, and a little candle from Anthropologie. I've got some lotion from Lush, and inside the little nightstand I have more books because I love books, especially self-help and spirituality books. They're my favorites. I also keep my sunglasses just on this little shelf because I didn't have anywhere else to put them. And then in the drawer below, I just have some old home videos and some more of my favorite movies. Then I keep my yoga mats and my tripod in the little corner of my room. Next to that, I have 3 of my lieutenant style caps or paperboy hats, train conductor hats, whatever they're called, cabbie hats. There's a million names for them. Now to the right of my hats is the door to my bathroom, which we will go into in a second, but then I have this little hanging tapestry, wall hanging, not tapestry, but this is from, I think, that same store that I got my other tapestry from, or a store just like it, but I love it. I live by the quote on it by the Buddha. Now these circular discs that I have hung up in my room are actually part of an old Free People display, and since I used to work at the store, we were able to take back the decorations that would have otherwise been thrown away. So I love these. They add a lot to my room. But here is just another overview of it all. Also, this little floor cushion that I have, which is incredibly useful, is from Urban Outfitters, and I just love the pattern on it. So here I am, hello, but I'm just going to show a little bit of my closet. This is just a little sneak peek. It's actually pretty messy, and I have way too much clothes that just don't fit in it. My hats are in the corner on the top shelf, and I have some jewelry in there as well, and my bags. Nothing too exciting, just a closet. Okay, this painting that I have above the bathroom door is by my friend Haley. She painted it for me before I even moved to LA, and it was just like the sweetest gift ever. Here is a little look into my bathroom when you open the door. So I've got the exciting sink right there and some lights. This is like my little storage cart, I guess you could say. I have my makeup, some hair accessories, and the bottom is kind of just like miscellaneous stuff, honestly. So I typically always keep my speaker on my little sink counter because I always get ready in my bathroom. I have my plate of rings and earrings. This little basket holds like my everyday essentials, my brushes, my scrunchie, stuff like that. Then I have deodorants, my lotion, and this has some jewelry and a little towel for when I wash my face. You know, pretty self-explanatory. So I also have 2 more of those triangular shelves that I got at the Melrose Trading Post that just hold some skin and body products that I use every so often. Then I have some affirmation little cards that I put up in my bathroom. I got this idea from the book You Are a Badass, and I love it. I read them and they're just great to read in the morning every day. Good reminders, you know, sending out positive vibes and good energy. Then of course my shower is right there in the bathroom where it should be. So that pretty much concludes this room tour. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not already, and follow me on my social media. All my info will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. It means the world to me, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.